Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on VT Markets. The first thing that you need to do is create a demo account. And if you don't have any idea how to do that, please check out the previous video that I created, because there I show you exactly on 2 ways how to create a demo account. Then once you have your demo account, we go right here to VT Markets, the dashboard, and then we click here on downloads. Then right here we scroll down, and if you want to use, you select right here download MT5. And if you want to use MT4, click here on MT4, download MT4. But I recommend you to do download MT5. So I click right here on MT5. Then I click right here on Web Trader. And then right now what you will find right here is an automatically login to this page. And now we are having right here MetaTrader 5 as a web trader. So now we can start trading. So right here, you see here a list of symbols. So if you want to add a symbol right here, we can go right here to symbols, select right here what we want to select. So let's say we want to select forex 2 and I want euro to US dollar. Then right now we can click here on hide or show, and you need to have that on show. Then we click on the cross, and now if you scroll down right here, we are having here euro to US dollar. And now we want to create ourselves a position. So what we're going to do, we click here on the plus icon and then click on symbol and then select right here the symbol that you want to trade. So let's say we want to trade, no, Bitcoin to USD is fine. Select right here the volume. You can also put a stop loss on it or a take profit, and then click here on sell by market or buy by market. So now we click on buy by market, and now we created ourselves right here a position for Bitcoin. So this is how you can demo trade right here in VT Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.